What's going on? I hope everybody is doing well. I wanted to share this short video with you guys, especially those that do a lot of traveling. I have the type of job that requires me to travel a lot on the road and the use of a computer. So while on the road, my computer died on me and I was out of luck. So I did some research and I came up with a solution. Right now what we're looking at is my vehicle battery and it's charged properly. But however, I didn't have a port, an AC or DC port for my computer. So I had to get what is called a power inverter. So I went online, I picked up this beauty right here. It's a power inverter by TOOPOW. Never heard of the brand, but I'm assuming that they're very popular because they have different power inverters. As you can see across the top, it has DC 12 volt, AC 110 volt. It's a 400 watt inverter. Most typical computers won't even go past 120 volts at approximately 40 watts. So this is well more than enough power for a computer, cell phones, things of that nature. And as you can see, it also has a beautiful color display right there that gives you the outputs in real time. So I thought that was cool. Okay, the first bar represents your energy. Load, it's a volt load. The next set of numbers is your output, which is 120 volts. And as you can see, there's nothing in the load, so it's not a heavy load going on, which means this inverter can handle my computer pretty easily. After about 10 minutes worth of charging, as you can see, my battery went from 32% to 63%. It also have details about this inverter on the front display. It hooks up with a cable that goes into your cigarette lighter or your DC outlet, and it also comes with a set of jumper cables in case you need to power something outside of your car. You could just hook it right up to your battery. I think I paid $40 for this thing, but so far so good. So to use this inverter, the process goes as like this. You will plug it up in the outlet before you turn it on. Turn on the inverter, then plug in your source to the power inverter, whether it be a laptop computer, cell phone, so forth and so on. So you want to plug it in first, turn on the power to the inverter, then plug your power source into the inverter. When you're not using the inverter anymore, what you want to do is cut the inverter off first, unplug it from the outlet, then unplug your source from the inverter last. My computer was approximately at 35% 10 minutes ago. So right now we're gonna go back up to my computer and see where it's at. So this thing is working good. It has a built-in fan on the side, and the fan is in case the inverter starts to overheat. Like I said, for a computer you shouldn't have any problems with a 400 watt inverter. They make them in smaller wattage, but this one was only $40. So for 400 watts at $40, you can't beat it. It's at 67, so you can see how fast this thing is charging my computer. And on the side here you have two outlets, your on and off button, and a USB port. So if you guys are in use of power while on the road, I suggest you go out and pick you up one of these power inverters. This one is working good. After I've had this thing for a while, I'll come back and do a review just to let you guys know if it's holding up or not. The casing is like a metal or a hard plastic. So far so good. Oh yeah guys, one more thing about this power inverter. Make sure that your car is running when you are using it. You don't want to have this charging up your computer or your cell phone. So make sure that your car is running so the alternator can do its job and keep the battery charged. Because if not, this power inverter will drain the battery in your vehicle, and then you will be stuck or looking for some type of boost. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. More videos to come.